Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to simulate a temperature sensor into an Arduino Mega board. So, temperature sensors are that is a device that measures the temperatures of their environment. So, this common types we using in an Arduino board are there are three or four temperature sensors. That is namely commonly used is LM35 and TMP36. In this Arduino Mega board, I am going to use LM35 temperature sensor. So in this the context of the text, so I am using this LM35 temperature sensor into this board. So now the code I am going to show for the temperature sensor. Here I have declared a global variable float temp. This temporary variable will continuously read the temperature from the environment from the temperature sensor. I am using a setup function void setup. In this pin mode, using this pin mode keyword, I am setting the 15th pin as output pin. This will be connected to a resistor to an LED that is grounded. If this LED is getting blinked, then we can identify that the temperature is being getting so that in this serial begin using this 9600 inside the bracket. I am initializing a serial communication with the board. So the serial communication, if it is get initialized, then this keyword we want to use with a baud rate of 9600, and I am using a void loop function. In this void loop function, I have entered this loop function will continuously run until I am stopping the program. Here I am using this temp variable, which I have declared here as a global variable. Temp equal to analog read A0. This means I am going to read analog value from the A0 pin. This A0 pin will be connected as an analog pin, so that the temperature will be stored in this temp variable. So next I am going to use one formula, temp equal to temp into 500 divided by 2024. In this what we are mentioning is this bitwise operator, using a bitwise XOR operator, and in this arithmetic operation to convert analog reading to a temperature. This analog value will be read from here, and that will convert it as a temperature using this formula. So I am applying this formula based on the specific being used in LM35. So in this next line, I am comparing with an if condition. If temp greater than 30, if temp greater than 30 means it will enter into the loop and make it the 15th pin as high. 15th pin as high means the LED will get blinked. So this code, if it is greater than 30, then it will turn on the connected devices. That is, connected devices means the LM35. If it is not, then it will turn off the LED. So delay option is used to pause for 1 second the next iteration, allowing between readings. So this is the code written for the Arduino Mega board for the temperature sensor. Now I am going to compile this one. It's getting compiled. After getting compiled, we want to copy the hexadecimal file, and we want to dump it into the Arduino Mega board, so that we will entire code will get dumped into the Arduino Mega board. Now it's getting compiled and get compiled. Data this is coming as done compiling, and we want to extract the hexadecimal file here. Drag, and you can find a hexadecimal file here. Copy the hexadecimal file, only the hexadecimal file, and we want to dump it into the Proteus. We want to go to Proteus now. Yeah, this is the Arduino Mega board connected to a temperature sensor here, the LM35. We are using LM35 temperature sensor. This is a temperature sensor which is grounded and connected to output power, and the second pin is connected to the A0, which we have written in the code. Analog value will be read from A0, and then we are connected the visual terminal transmitter and receiver to the receiver and transmitter of the Mega board, that is the Arduino Mega board. And then I am connecting this 15th pin to an resistor to a LED to blink if the temperature is being recorded. So now I am going to dump the code here. here in this program file we want to dump the hexadecimal file which we have copied over there. After it's getting pasted, you want to run this program simulation. So now it is the temperatures being recorded by using this LED is getting blinked, so that the environmental temperature is using recorded by the formula we have used. The formula we have used is temp bitwise XOR 500 divided by 1024. This is the formula to record the temperature from our environment. So this overview of this temperature sensor, that is measures the temperature of the environment. So this reads the voltage. If the pin A0 is the output is 0, means the value will be 0. We are using the 0 to 5 volts, so that if the output is 0 volts, then it is 0 degree. If the output is 25 degrees Celsius, then the output will be 250 millivolts. So now it's coming as 499.51. This is a simple program and simulation for the temperature sensor to find the temperature of our environment. Thank you.